The High Power Committee that include the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Metbah Lyngdoh, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, PHE Minister Renikton L Tongkhar, Urban Affairs Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar, and MLA of East Shillong Constituency Ampareen Lyngdoh had inspected the new Legislative Assembly building, which is under construction at New Shillong following the collapse of the dome of the main building. A meeting of the High Power Committee was later held to assess the situation. Also present during the meeting was Transport Minister Dasakhiat Lamare. Briefing the media on the decisions taken by the High Power Committee on the recent collapse of the dome of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly's new building, Speaker Metbah Lyngdoh informed that a third-party audit of the project will be selected to inspect, assess and submit all reports to the state government on its findings to enable future decisions to be taken. Lyngdoh added that one of the 3 Indian institutes of technology that include IIT Kolkata, Delhi and Guwahati would be selected for the task.
We have discussed at length today about the incident and we have taken some decisions today. First one is to ensure that no outsiders will be or unauthorized person will be allowed to enter the building because of some safety measures. The other part is to cover that entire open area of that dome portion which has collapsed to ensure that there's no water leakage in the building. Now we have decided also, which is very, very important, a third party audit who will give us the reason why or the reasons of the collapse of the entire construction. They will also investigate about the entire collapse of the dome, and at the same time they will also look into the strength of the other areas like the left wing, the right wing, the corridor of the main hall and the reception area and the chambers of the speaker, the chief ministers and other areas which are in that floor. Also at the same time which are on the ground floor and below the ground floor and the basement if there's any. Now we have decided also to ensure that the institutions which we will be calling them for the audit will be basically from the IIT teams. So we suggested that we suggested that there will be 3 IITs. One is from Guwahati, one is from Kolkata and one is from Delhi. So any of the 3 IITs will be selected. Depends on the readiness of those IITs who will be conducting this audit and investigation as far as this case is concerned. The work, especially in the main mandap, in the main assembly building, will come to a halt till the report comes out from the audit team.